Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Today we're going to be taking a look at AMT 1974 Galaxy police car version. I've already built the taxi, now I'm going to build a squad car from 007. Here's this side of the box. Got some nice decals. Diamonds are forever. Here's a look at the inside, the engine, shotgun, CB, antenna, communication equipment, spotlights, the sirens. There's the bottom of the box with the parts. I'm looking for a date. I don't see a date on the box. It's 1/25th scale. (2020). Thunderbats in the background drying. Here's our decals. Pretty decent shape. Looks like Nevada license plates. Here's our glass and our sirens. Don't know if I'm going to do blue, red, or red and blue. Might do red and blue. Here's our 4 tires, our metal axles, our screws. Here's our chrome tree with our bumpers, center caps, engine spotlights, the radio. There's our light bar for the top, I assume, or part of it. There's our radio, fire extinguisher. Assume that's an antenna. Here's our instructions. Pretty basic, only 4 steps. I'm sorry, 5 steps. Here's our firewall, our push bumper, shotgun, distributor, starter. Here's our engine, battery, here's our steering wheel. Here's our hood, a little bit of flash. You get a thing for the engine if you don't want to put an engine in it. I'm going to, because why wouldn't you? If you have that option. Here's our dashboard, our Steely oil pan, radiator, belt assembly. This kit also comes with a real nice decal that goes in there. Here's our rear suspension, our bench seat, here's our chassis, Pretty basic. So our interior tub. And our really nice Ford Galaxy body. A little bit of flash, not horrible. But yeah. So I'm going to be starting on this kit next. So I'm just kind of waiting for the hood pins to dry on the Batman car and the rest of the windows, and then I'll get it glued to the body, and the Thunderbat will finally be done after months and months of waiting. Can't wait to have that finished. But you guys all have a good one. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Hit that like button and leave a comment. And that you guys all have a great rest of your Saturday.